Hello, it's Martin. I want to upgrade my audio. Okay, as you know, my audio on my videos is not being good. I use editing software to try to help it out a wee bit. Some days I have good audio, other days I have bad audio. I really don't know what's going on. So I bought myself a lav mic. I'm using it now as well, just to make this video better, of course. So why did I buy this? Now, I've been using this microphone here, and that's obviously connected to the cable, to an arm, to back into my camera, which is good because it means I don't hear the lens, because if you synchronize start, you could hear the lens. But I don't want this anymore. It's something I don't want anymore. I want to have more freedom. So I got this. So let's unbox it. So what do you get in the box? Obviously that's where the thing goes. You get manual. Nice. You also get headphones. I wouldn't use these personally. I would never use these. Never use these. You get a data cable as well, so that's good. And you also get this box here. This box here to record your audio from your landline. You can make whatever you want about that, but I will never use it. Only thing I want is what I'm using. And you also get the microphone, because that's one of the things I wanted, was a microphone to it. So it saves me money, of course. So let's get this all back. So, and let's look at the device. So give me a minute, please. So what do you get in the device? So right at the top, so you get a microphone and the headphone jack. This is plastic, not metal. Link in the description where you can find this exact one. You get microphones left and right. Yeah, left and right. Let's go on the side. You get your delete button, volume up, volume down, and USB. So this is for charging and also getting the data from here to your computer. Other side, you get, there's your mode, your up and down, and your power off. This is 8 gigs. Now and you also get the chord symbol and the stop and play. It's quite a nice device, quite small, quite light. I like it's light, so I won't even remember it's in my pocket. It's 8 gig. Now, according to this file, it's 47 hours. That's plenty. That's good for singing, good for what I'm doing, YouTubing, good for, what else? Talking, interviews. That's more than you should ever need. If your audio is more than 47 hours and you haven't put them off, then I would like to know what you're doing for 47 hours. So this will help my audio, I hope. If not, I'll be returning this. And then you'll get a better experience. I'll get a better experience in my audio because I'm not hearing cracking noise, and I'll get to do more projects. So if you like this studio upgrading, please comment and I'll show you the gear I'm using, because I'm more than happy to show people what I'm using, and eventually I will upgrade eventually. So please comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.